Where am I? I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Hey! Hey you! Wake up! Hey, black person, wake up!
Where am I?
You're stuck!
Oh my god, stop!
I'm stuck too! What do we do? Hey, come on! Let's go out! Let's figure this out! Okay, maybe we're all here for a reason. What did you do last?
What did you do?
Well, I was at this party and there was this...
Wait, dude, what's on your face?
Nothing, there's nothing on my face.
Never mind.
Okay, what do we do? What do we do? I'm scared! What's that? What is that?
I think that's a tape recorder.
You can read?
Man, go get it!
Okay. No! No! It's too far away! I'm stuck to the floor! No, I got it! Okay. Okay. What do I do with this?
Greetings and welcome. I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering where you are, but I assure you, your location is not important.
Hey, aren't we near the McDonald's? Like, I remember real well.
No. Anyway, there's sticky notes all over the room. Do what they say and you will live. Let the game begin.
Oh, sticky notes. Food! Okay, I think it would be safest if we do not eat anything in here. Start eating a plate!
I don't want the plate!
In desperate times, people have been known to eat weird things. Eat the plate! Eat it! Alright, better idea. There you go, I'm gonna go back to my spot. No. Oh, time for dessert. Oh. Now I'm gonna starve. I'm out of food and it's your fault.
It's my fault. You the one who ate it all.
Shut up! Orgy! No! No!
Don't eat the food.
Don't eat the food! Don't eat the food! No! I'm gonna die! You have to help me! You have to help me!
I'm not helping you. That's what you get being so fat, man.
I'm not fat. I'm just big boned.
Man, we gotta focus on getting out of here.
Yeah, man. We need to figure out a way to get here. We only have something like we could use to cut the ropes we're using right now or something. We need some tools. Hey, what's that over there?
Man, it's nothing, man. Nothing.
Really?
Yeah.
I was all worried, thinking you were gonna do something. Hey, what's this? Cut, rope, cut the rope.
Screw that, it's dangerous. I'm bleeding. I did it. I'm free. I did it.
What about me?
You know what? You're stuck here because you're black and you're mean and you're black.
Stupid thing. Hey, it opens. There's a note in here. Don't touch door. We will explode. Man, screw that's gay.